Ever felt cramped in the cockpit, juggling your maps, checklists, and notes with no place to neatly organize them? The folding pilot Kneeboard solves that problem by offering maximum storage and a reliable workspace right on your leg. It's designed to keep everything you need within arm's reach, so you can focus on flying without distraction. What sets this Kneeboard apart is its thoughtful layout. The left panel provides generous space for small books, papers, or items that usually clutter your cockpit. The center panel features a clear plastic cover to hold your Kneeboard securely, complete with a pen or pencil holder and buttonholes that let you fold back one or both panels easily. On the right, a clear pocket keeps your map visible at all times, eliminating the need to shuffle through papers mid-flight. Plus, the elastic legband with Velcro closures adapts comfortably to any leg size, so it stays put without restricting movement. Made from durable black nylon and adorned with an embroidered silver wings logo, this Kneeboard measures 6.5 inch wide by 9.5 inch high, compact yet spacious enough to handle your cockpit essentials. Pilots, especially those just starting out, appreciate how this board keeps checklists and notes organized and accessible. If you're looking to upgrade your cockpit setup with a practical, reliable Kneeboard, this one's worth a look. If that sounds like what you need, consider giving this folding Kneeboard a try when you're ready. It's a simple addition that brings clear benefits: better organization, easier access to your flight materials, and a stable workspace that fits comfortably. Your cockpit deserves that kind of upgrade.